Whether you are a freelancer or buyer on Fiverr and you want to add payment method or billing information to your Fiverr account, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to add billing and payment method to your Fiverr account, whether on Android phone or iPhone or even on tab. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I exit from my Fiverr account right here. Then having access from my Fiverr account, for everyone using Android phone, you just want to make sure you go to your Play Store right here. Open up your Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on search right here. And then click on search app and type in Fiverr. Then hit search. And it's going to take you right here. Click on this result right here and you'll be here. Fiverr freelancer, and you are here. Fiverr freelance service right here. All you have to do is to make sure you download and install this app right here. Whether on iPhone, if you are on iPhone, go to your app store and type in Fiverr. If you are on tab, go to your tab app store and make sure you type in Fiverr. After the successful download and install, hit on open right here. It's going to connect and load to the login interface. For the first time, you'll be asked to log in with your username and password to your Fiverr account. After a successful login, next thing you want to do is to see how you can add your payment method or your billing information to your Fiverr account. For that, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Scroll down, and then you want to make sure you proceed to support right here. Go ahead and click on support. Just like so. And so the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this three slider. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. And then go ahead and simply click on billing and payment right here. And it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to slide this way, and then go ahead and click on payment method right here. And it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here, and then go ahead and simply click on add payment method. And you are here. As at the time of making this video, only PayPal is available, and this depends on the region. However, from your own region, you might have another means of payment right here. All you have to do is to go ahead and check the one available for you. Once you click on it, and the next thing you want to do, in order to complete your PayPal registration, we will transfer to you over to PayPal Secure Saver. All you have to do is to come down below right here and click on PayPal. So all you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on PayPal. Log in with your PayPal detail, and the payment method will be successfully added, and your first transaction will be made to the PayPal account or whatever means of payment method you choose right here on your Fiverr account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Fiverr topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.